Today we'll see the third lecture of the Python programming, right? So we'll open here the Visual Studio Code, right? And the third lecture is you can say about the multiplication of a number, of a given number, or multiplication. See, you can say print multiplication series for number 2, okay, table of 2 or table of 3, like that, right? So we'll start over here, students, by clicking on the new file. Okay, so till I save it, I will request you all to subscribe this channel for more videos on Python programming, and definitely share with your friends, students, right? So now over here I have declared as multiplication.py. okay, over here you can select all files and then save. Okay, like this, save. Now I have saved it. So over here you can see, first of all we'll take n number, some multiplication number that we are interested in to do the multiplication. You can say to print the multiplication of a particular series, of a particular table, you can say, right? So n is equal to, you can say, first of all I am interested in printing table of 2, right? So for table of 2 I am taking n is equal to 2. Then for, I have to take a for loop, okay, because the iteration process should be there, right? What is the iteration process? You can say the iteration process explains us to iterate the value of a particular, you can say, looping statement by 1 or 2 as you specify in the loop. Okay, so I will take over here for loop, and then I, you can say, I will be the iterator. Okay, I in, you can say, now we'll take the range, go till what you need, actually table, or you can say table of 2. Then I'm interested in displaying 1, you can say 2 1s are 2 2s are till 2 10s are 20, like that. So I will take over here as 10. Okay, 1 to 10. Within 1 to 10 you take 1 iteration steps and multiply it by given number. Okay, so now you can say will print, okay, the n, then we will print the I, okay, then the n cross I, you can say, because n is what, 2 1s are we need now, that is 1s is what, I, the value is now 1, as we have taken range 1, then it will increment 2, then I will be 2, like this. So 2 1s are, then 2 2s are, like this, means n will be common for all. Okay, so first of all we will give some you can say text, okay, this as into, okay, then this into, and you can say this will equal, like this, right? And then this, then I've done with this. But here it is showing a problem that okay, comma is not there because it is not completely separated, right? So it is done now, students. We will save it, Control S, then we will run it. So now see over here, okay, see, it's done. 2 that I have taken as common as 2, then 1, the I value, I to 10, so it taken as I to 9. Over here the output came as 2 into 1, that means the number 2, right? The number 2 and the iterator, that it starts from 1 to 9. Okay, one thing to be noticed out of here, see how it comes 1, that means you have started this and you have to stop at this, that means when the I value will be 10, then you have then the iterator will stop, you can say. So at 10 it stopped only till 9. Okay, the I value, when it iterates till 9, then it multiplies like this, okay, and other, you can say, when it goes beyond that it stops, right? So this is the start, this is the stop, and one more is there, you can say it is a step like this, means you have to increment from 1 or 2 value, like that. Okay, so now what I will make is, I will make it as 11. I will save it. So it will stop at 11, that means it will print till 10. See over here, now it printed total with 10. Now what we'll do is, we will take the user input, like means of what type of table, means you can say it is a user entry, you can say it is already defined in this function, in this you can say program. The value of n is already you can say declared, but what in case if you are not, you can say declared or not mentioned. If you want a random numbers table, then what to do? Then int, we will take an input. Okay, input, like you can say enter the number to find the, you can say your variables table. Okay, so now you can say I in range 1 to 11, take this, and the n will be collected from here, that is the user entry what you are entering the value. Okay, now we'll check, we'll run the code. Okay, first of all we will save it. Okay, we'll save it, then we will run. See over, it asks the value for which table you need. So 6, sorry, not over here, over here. Okay, for 6 I need, so see over here, it now shows the table of 6. Okay, again if I will run, see over here, it shows like this. Okay, so I will you can say table of 10. See over here, now table of 10 it displays. Okay, so 10, then 1, 10 1s are 10 2s are, like this till 11. Okay, if I specify the value as 21, then till 20 it will show you, right? So we'll see over here, now what you can say 5 table. Okay, not over here. Okay, over here you have to specify 5. Okay, the number 5. See over here, till 20 it displays. Okay, see over here. Okay, 5 1s are, from 5 1s are it displays till 5 20s are, like this. Okay students, so this was the tutorial for multiplication of numbers of a specified given number, or a mentioned number, or a user entry number for to print a table of that number of what range, whatever range, you can say 1 to 10 or 1 to 20, like this. Okay students, so I guess you understood this. If you have any doubts, you can comment me below the comment section. So till then, I will request you once again that subscribe the channel and like the video if you like it, and definitely share with your friends students. Till then, thank you, have a good day.